Thanks for stopping by my plant-based chef's table. We are going to be cooking some damn delicious fall recipes, all made with a fruit that's traditionally turned into sweet desserts. However, we will be making 4 savory apple dishes: barbecue soy curls with homemade barbecue sauce, charred slaw salad, and here you go. Even the mocktail is a savory apple recipe. Before I get into how to make soy curls, let's start with the recipe for our homemade apple barbecue sauce. Fire up the stove and start by adding tomato sauce and tomato paste into a small saucepan over low heat. In the video, you'll see me swirl apple cider in each can. This is a small step I take in trying not to waste any of the product. It never fails. Tomato paste especially always gets stuck. Up next is the apple cider and apple cider vinegar. Then in goes the spices. To round out the flavors, add maple syrup, molasses, and liquid aminos. Allow the sauce to simmer for about an hour, stirring to make sure the bottom doesn't scorch. Let cool. This savory apple barbecue sauce gets better as it rests, so be sure to give it 24 to 48 hours in the fridge before you use it. My mission with this recipe was to create a no refined sugar barbecue sauce that is both sweet and spicy, being inspired by apple fall recipes and using the natural sweetener from apples. And I think I nailed it. Wait until you try it on the upcoming soy curls. Butler soy curls are a staple in my kitchen. It's a perfect shelf-stable soy product that isn't always the easiest to find in stores, but is available on their website and other online shops. This is a non-affiliate, non-sponsored post, but I'm open to offers, hint hint. Soak the curls in apple cider, liquid aminos, baking soda, to help with digestion and the toots, and spices overnight to pump flavor in those bad boys. First, fold each soy curl, then feed it on a skewer until it's full, but not overcrowded. This creates a secure hold so they don't fall off while baking or broiling, but also allows maximum marinade soakage. Place back in the pan and bake until just a tad squishy. After they are baked, brush some of the apple barbecue sauce on it and toss it in the broiler. Watch as the damn delicious crispy caramelization starts to take over the skewers. Now on to making a hybrid coleslaw side salad that's a simple mixture, letting the barbecue char and apple be the star of the show. We are going to only use the exterior leaves off the head of cabbage to make the head last a little longer rather than killing it by chopping it in half. This is a rustic cut salad because in the end it will be half of its size. Cut the cabbage rib out, then chop up thick ribbons of cabbage, matchstick carrots, and sliced onions. Toss into 1 cup of apple cider vinegar with a good sprinkle of salt and let it chill for about 6 to 8 hours. Scoop out the slaw salad mixture onto a baking tray that's safe for your broiler, straining the excess vinegar back into the bowl as you go. Broil until the veggies have a beautiful char. While you watch the broiler, slice crisp apples. Gala won't do here. I actually have a hatred for those mushy apples. Their only purpose is to be cooked down for an apple pie filling or a jam. Sorry about that rant. Let's get back to cooking and add the apples to the bowl with vinegar. Toss the charred slaw with the apples and apple cider vinegar with a dash of salt and pepper. then chill until ready to serve. Who is ready for another savory zero-proof cocktail like the one we made for you in the beginning? It's hoppy without hops, refreshing yet complex, and pairs perfectly with this meal. Start with torn sage and muddle with some of the apple cider. Add ice, remaining cider, tonic water, and 2 to 4 drops of liquid smoke. Any more is overwhelming, but it's definitely missed without the hint of smoke. If you're a tonic hater, don't run away. My kitchen witch / co-creator is usually the same, but loved the zero-proof cocktail. Top with an apple wheel or other garnish of choice, and cheers! Enjoy the rest of the night and wake up tomorrow without a hangover. No grill, no problem. These fall apple recipes will allow you to bring the barbecue flavor inside without needing a grill. The apple marinade for the soy curls combines the flavors of the fall with some traditional sausage spices. It also works great with TVP. With or without the BBQ sauce, these skewers are damn delicious. The best bite had to be the barbecue curl with the world's best mac and cheese. Check out the link in the description. Actually, that bite makes me think of some damn delicious menu ideas for the future. The Slaw Salad is a tangy but balanced and adds a fresh element to the meal. The zero-proof cocktail had the power to complete this outrageous plant-based barbecue platter while still being refreshing. I can't wait until you give this a shot. On the upcoming menu, we will have a That's Damn Delicious spin on some winter holiday favorite recipes. I'll give you a hint. You can argue if it's stuffing or dressing, but it's not usually gluten-free and high protein. Thanks again for joining me at my chef's table, and let me know what you thought of today's menu in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that bell for future seedings. Until then, be vegan, live healthy, and eat junk food that's nutritious.